it's your girl Chantelly Lace coming at you with another video. In today's video, I am going to be packaging some PR packages that I'm going to be mailing out today to some of my brand ambassadors and fellow YouTubers. So if you want to package some PR packages with me, just stay tuned. So welcome back, you guys. So yes, I'm super excited to be doing this video because I am some PR packages for my brand ambassadors and some fellow YouTubers. So I'm very excited to be doing this. If you guys do not know, I launched my own lash company called Flirty Gurl Lashes. You can follow us on Instagram or Facebook at Flirty Gurl Lashes, and you can follow my personal page at Chantelly Lace 32, and you can also check out my website at flirtygirllashes.com. But we're gonna go on and get started. So I need to put some cellophane on some of my lashes that I picked out for some of my ambassadors. So I picked, my ambassadors get to pick their own lashes that they want each month. So that way they can try out different pairs. And as far as my fellow YouTubers, I went on and picked out some lashes that I thought that, you know, would look great on them. So yes, I'm super excited. Yes, I did wash my hands and sanitize and everything. I just can't do this with gloves on because I did do my nails and it would be really hard. I need to get some bigger gloves for my nails. But yeah, we're just going to get these packaged up. I try to have these all pre-packaged, but the ones I had pre-packed, they were already sold out. So they're already sold, so I had to make some more. But yeah, I'm just super excited, you guys. This is like a new venture for me. And I'm just excited for all the love that has been coming about. But yeah, I'm just going to get these all packaged up and sealed. I only had 3 more to do, so it's not too many. Okay. So next, let me get that out the way. So we're going to start by getting our box together. So these boxes I got from the Dollar Tree. Super cute and inexpensive, and they match my brand. You know, I love purple. So yes, and I went on and got some decorative shredding paper from the Dollar Tree as well. Come on now, we on a budget, so yes. But you can also pick some of this stuff up from any vendors online as well. But I didn't want to wait for it to come in the mail. So I was just like, let me just go to the Dollar Tree. It's only $1 or $2. So what we're going to do is just take some. And we're going to take a little of each. This is going to get messy, y'all. That's what happens. So we're just going to, I'm just going to kind of swirl it about. So it is mixed up inside the box, as you can see. So alright, so we have these lashes, and I'm gonna find, I handwritten some cards to my ambassadors and to some of my fellow YouTubers. And I went on and pre-wrote these so that way, you know, there's no issues. And it won't take all day. But I'm going to stick that inside the box as well. And let's see. I have my tweezers and my lashes down here in a cubicle. And each one of my ambassadors will be getting a lash, a free tweezer, and our lash adhesive, so they can try it out and see how they like it. So I already have my little organza bags out, and I already have my spoolie in here and my micro brush cleaner, which you get with every purchase as well. So that way everything's good to go. We'll put the glue in here, close our organza bag up. Here we go, and I'm going to put the tweezers in here on the side. So super cute and pretty. There we go. We have everything in there. We have the lashes, the glue, our thank you card, tweezers, and a little bit of decorative paper. Nothing too much. We're going to close that one up, and she is done. So we'll do the next one. Oops, she is not done. Look, I forgot something. You guys, I want to put some business cards in there. So that way, if anybody asks them where they got their lashes, they can pass out some business cards. So put those in there. And that's done. So let's move on to the next one. So we're going to just grab some paper. Now it's going to get messy. It's the only thing I don't like. So I don't like the mess, you guys. Alright. Grab some purple to mix in there. And then just mix it together so they're like blended and it don't look like you just threw one color on top of another. You want it to be nice and mixed together. Alright. We're going to put our little card. Oops. And this one is going to... Alright, I know who this one is going to. And I need to find her card. Right here. And we're going to get our organza bag that already has our spoolie and our micro brush cleaner. We're going to put our lashes in there. Grab her a tweezer and a lash glue. That's why I like having everything over here. It's so easier. I'm going to throw my lash glue in there. And I want to put the business cards inside the organza bag. So that's where I messed up last time. Alright, so we'll have that. Oops. We have that in there and the tweezers. There we go. Super cute. Alright. Next up, put some paper. Make them look so pretty. Alright. They put a lot more purple than the holographic. I noticed that in the bags. The holographic doesn't have as much as the purple, which I'm like, oh, okay. I guess because it's a popular color, especially right now. You know, put less in there, you make more money, I guess, right? Some companies, boy. But yeah, I'm super excited. If you haven't picked you up no lashes and checked it out the website, you guys should go check it out. So this one, I know who this is going to. Where's her card? Right here. So I'm going to put her card in there. We're going to get her organza bag that has, like I said, her spoolie and micro cleaning brush, so that way we can stay on top of that. Get us a glue, and we're going to throw some business cards in there, so if anybody asks her where she got her lashes. Alright, and we're going to set that in there with our tweezers. So pretty. I am so pleased. Okay. So I do have two. These are going to be for 2 more ambassadors that are actually local. So I'm not going to mail these off. But I do have 2 more that I'm going to send out to some fellow YouTubers. So I'm going to use my bubble mailers for this one because they're not ambassadors or anything. So yeah. But I do have cards for them. And let's make sure everything's in here right. And I can get a glue. And let's get these ones. ones together. Oops. Some more glue. And we're going to put some business cards. See, look, I keep forgetting the business cards, y'all. So, let's throw some in here. Pull my bag shut. And let's open this bag and throw some business cards in here. Okay. So now, just going to put everything in the bag. With that card, this one, it doesn't matter. This card goes with whose. So, I know these bags are perfect for like one or two things. And I'm stuffing like a card and stuff in there, but everything fits. Alright, so these bags can get closed up. Well, let me see, I think. Yeah, I might have to cut these a little bit. So these are the labels that I put. I handmade these ones because these are stuff that I'm giving to them and it's not actually coming out of my inventory on my online store. So I was like, well, I don't really need to do all of that. Just handwrite it and call it a day. So I just stick that and this is done. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the label that I made with the address and put this on the back. And it kind of just helps to secure the bag and make sure nobody tries to peel this open or anything of that nature. So yes. So we got that package done. So let's do the next one. And I'll show you how I'm going to mail these out. These boxes, because I'm going to do it a little different. I do have some custom PR boxes in the works. But until then, these were cute and they matched my brand. So, alright, so just put that postage right on top of the back so nobody can lift that up because, you know, we don't be trusting people, okay? So we got that done. So let's move on. Let me show you how I'm going to package these. I'm going to package my PR boxes to make sure that they don't get damaged. I got this bubble wrap that you can pick up from the Dollar Tree or, you know, anywhere. I picked mine up from the Dollar Tree until mine from my vendor comes in. And I'm going to wrap this around and give it a nice little cut. There you go. So she is nice and protected. One side has more than the other, but that's not, let's fix that. And so to make it a little more even, there we go. And just wrap that bad boy. Okay, so it is good to go. So this first one is, okay. So I already have some priority mailers from the post office, of course, and I already went on and put their addresses on the back. So, but I wanted to do this because it was going to be cheaper for me to ship it this way, to use this and be able to use my box at the same time. So once my personalized ambassador boxes come, or my personalized PR boxes come, then I'll be okay. But as of right now, it would have cost me a lot to mail that box off just like this. So it was better to put it in a mailer, because this is actually cheaper for some weird reason. But yeah. So we have 1 down and 2 more to go. Let me double check which ones these are. Okay. I know who these ones go to. We'll make sure we get in the right. All right. So just roll that out. Exactly enough. And we're just gonna give it a roll. There we go. And this one is her envelope. Right? Yeah. And now we're just gonna take a box and put it in here. Everything is nice and protected. Ain't going nowhere. And it ain't gonna cost me an arm and a leg. Still want to spend some money, but not an arm and a leg, okay? So let me get my other bubble wrap, because I ran out of that one. So we gotta cut this one. I don't like how the Dollar Tree puts the tape on here. They should put like maybe some paper that you, like some cardstock paper or something on here. And then put the sticker on the cardstock so it won't be on here, because you're actually wasting some of this, because I don't want this with the sticker on it. And I'm not going to sit there and peel it off neither. So just being honest. So let's go on and roll this out. That looks about what we need. And just give it a nice little cut. Doesn't have to be perfect. Let me make sure this is. So now we're just gonna roll it, roll it, roll it.